be celebrating Oktoberfest here in the Idea Lab. First, I want to tell you a little bit about Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest is an annual festival in Munich, Germany. It is held over a 2-week period and ending on the first Sunday in October. The festival is originated on October 12, 1810, when Crown Prince of Bavaria married a Princess Teresa, and this is the happy couple. And the Oktoberfest usually have 6 million people attending from all around the world, but sadly this year it is canceled due to the coronavirus. But we can still celebrate Oktoberfest at the library. Let's get Shrinky film! Okay, first you'll have to get your Shrinky film or come to the library, get a packet of the Shrinky film. I have 10 of them left here at the library. And you can just freehand it, freehand the design that you want with the Sharpies on the top of this, or what we're gonna do is we printed this picture. So we'll put the film on the top and we'll trace it and color it with a Sharpie. One thing you need to remember when you design your design is it's gonna shrink pretty small. So it's supposed to shrink to the 20% of what your design is. So I'm expecting this hat to be about like that. And the beer mug probably be about like that. Okay. She done finished tracing this, and she made her own, she made it a different color and it looks great. Now what we'll do is I will cut them. Now like I said, well I haven't said it, but it'll shrink to 20% of what this is, so 80% of it will be gone. So I'm expecting this to be about, you know, size of a quarter. Maybe this one's a little bit bigger, but if you know, just consider that when you are design your pictures. And then this is a good time if you want to make it a necklace or keychain. This is a time to go ahead and make a hole, cut out the hole for that. Again, the hole's gonna be shrunk to the 20% of its size too, so you know the hole needs to be bigger than what it is also. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this now. Okay, now we finished cutting. Notice I cut it kind of big and round because I didn't want to crack the film like I did here. So I just cut it all the way around instead of cutting it exactly in the shape of the picture. And then I set the oven between 300 to 350 Fahrenheit. And you will line your baking sheet with the parchment paper and put your Shrinky film on the top. And you're supposed to put another piece of parchment paper on the top. I'm just gonna skip the process so you can see how it shrinks in the oven. But when you guys are doing it at home, it's recommended that you will put another parchment paper on the top. And I will put the instruction with your parchment, not parchment, but the Shrinky film. Okay, here it goes. completely cool, and then we popped it out. Couple of things that we did wrong. We need to complete, it's, okay, the film's gonna shrink up, but it's gonna flatten itself out. Might not be completely flat, but it will look like this on the top of the parchment paper. So wait for that, and then get it out, and then wait till it's completely cool before you touch it, because otherwise you'll curl it like I did. And then another big thing is the side that you colored, you should have put that face up. See, I put the color side face down, and it took the color off when I pulled it off the parchment paper. But anyway, it is super cute. What I am intended to do with this, I will put it on the top of my favorite notebook, glue it on there. I think it's super cute. But you can do what you like to do with. You can make a jewelry out of it. Be sure to put the hole in there before you shrink them. Otherwise, it will be very hard to poke a hole in that once it gets hardened. But this is it. Thank you for joining us. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to give us a call to come get your shrinky film. I have 10 of them. Thanks. Bye.